Okay, hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a 2009 Honda Super Cub 50 fuel injected model with 4-speed and electric start. I'll start from the front. Front tyre is really good. Front mudguard, front rack, lights, everything really nice condition. Little bit of kind of heat damage or whatever that is at the top. Other than that, really superb. Chrome alloys. The black engine all the way up and through. Seat is original from Honda. Underneath, not a spot of rust on it. Really immaculate condition. Rear rack is in excellent condition. Rear swing arm. The alloy itself is in excellent condition. There, even the chain guard on the opposite side. 2009 model. All the way through. Not something, you can't fault this bike at all. Whole way through. That rear tire again, perfect, and everything else absolutely as it should be. I'll show you starting and running. Electric start, simple as. Horn and front headlamp working, indicators, everything like that. Just out of service, ready to go and ready for its new owner. So that's kind of it. If you have liked it, you can reach out to us at Retro Bikes Dublin for our Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to reach out to us on our official website as well, it's www.retrobikesdublin.com. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe.